Dreaming of living in Taraba? Here's the latest price update and what it means for your future home. Hi everyone, I'm Raymond Casiguran, your RC property guide, and for today's video, I'm bringing you to the one of the most luxurious residential community here at Santa Rosa, Laguna, the Traba by Greenfield Development Corporation. Kung ang hinahanap mo ay ang perfect blend ng luxury, nature, and the accessibility, this might be just your dream home. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Traba is a Greenfield City premier residential development. Dito, hindi lang bahay ang binili mo. Your investment in a master plan community na designed for sustainability, comfort, with the 33 hectares of lush greenery. Ang ambience dito, para naka-vacation everyday, no? A low-density residential environment with wide roads, generous in open space, 33 hectares, and the 46% is allocated sa open space, which is, ayun na yung pinaka-road and amenities. Imagine walking up and surrounded by the tree-lined roads, no? Open spaces and pocket parks, plus the amenities here are designed for the active, healthy lifestyle. Let's talk about the amenities. Trabas offers the Grand Clubhouse, perfect for events and gatherings, a resort-style swimming pool, and the sport courts, walking and jogging paths, kids playground. Ayan yung mga meron dito sa Traba, no? And Traba has a world-class amenities, no? Yan, makikita mo naman sa video, no? Napakaganda nung pinaka-amenities ng Traba. At hindi lang yon, meron ditong underground utilities, no? Na hindi mo makikita, kaya walang mga spaghetti wires, malinis yung paligid, and syempre, mas safe. Isa sa pinaka-best features ng Traba is yung location, no? It's very accessible. It's inside the Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, just a minute away from Eton City, Greenfield City exit of South Luzon Expressway, and malapit lang din to sa Calax. So, travel to Tagaytay and BGC is very convenient. Napakalapit lang sa lahat. Nearby, you have a school like Brent International, De La Salle University, Xavier School of Nuvali, Miriam College, and the Future UST. Shopping and leisure, you got Paseo de Santa Rosa, the Solonad of Nuvali, the Vista Mall, the Future SM Nuvali, and the Greenfield City-owned commercial centers, no? Marami ditong mall sa pinaka-Nuvali dahil meron tong tatlong mall sa loob, which is yung kaninang binanggit ko. Traba offers a premium residential lots starting from around 550 square meter up to over 700 square meter, no? This give you a freedom to build your dream luxury home dito sa Traba. Basta Modern Asia team, pasok yan dito. Every lot here is designed with the proper orientation para mas maganda ang airflow, and may natural light sa kada bahay dito. What is amazing about Traba is its commitment to sustainability. May mga dedicated bike lanes, energy-efficient street light, and eco-friendly design guidelines for homeowners. Kagandahan dito, no, sa Greenfield City is priority nila yung wellness. Kaya hindi lang ito basta bahay, ito ay kasama na rin yung mga libangan mo like jogging na makakatulong sa'yo, no? Biking, para mas maging healthy ka. And ngayon, pupunta tayo sa lot para pag-usapan naman natin yung price update ng Traba. Tara, samahan nyo ako. If you are curious about the price, Traba residential lot are positioned in high-end investment. As of now, Price per square meter range from 57,000 to 65,000 depending on the lot size and the location. By the way guys, ayan, naghanda tayo ng isang sample computation sa isang specific lot, no? Which is yung Block 15 Lot 4 with a total cash price of 29,159,143.44 centavos. May bago tayong payment terms which is yung 36 months term, no? And meron tayong 10% spot na 3,165,824.6 centavos. The other 10% is payable up to 36 months, which is 90,717.34 pesos per month. And the remaining 80% is 26,126,592.52 centavos. Is pwede mong bayaran, no, as cash or pwede mong ipasok sa bank financing. Actually, napakaganda ng payment terms, no? Marami naghahanap ng mahaba yung terms para mas mababa yung magiging monthly. Napakaganda ng binigay ni Greenfield Development Corporation na terms dito sa payment sa Traba. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, no? Ayan, balik lang tayo na nagbigay ako ng specific price dun sa isang lote dito sa Traba. And alam naman natin na napaka-accessible through Calax and South Luzon Expressway, and at the same time nasa gitna siya ng malalaking master plan community din, no, na pwedeng mag-benefit sa isa't isa, which is yung pinakamalaking estate ni Ayala, which is yung No Valley, no, and the Eton City and the South Forbes, no. For exact pricing and promo and site view schedule, no, you can contact us sa mga details na ipa-flash ko sa screen, which is 63991-983-5115. Available to sa Viber and WhatsApp para sa ating mga kababayan working on abroad. Traba isn't just a place to live. It's a lifestyle upgrade. If you're ready to build your dream home here at Metro Santa Rosa, I'm happy to assist you from viewing to move in. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more property tours and real estate tips. This is Raymond Kasiguran, your RC Property Guide, one of the trusted real estate salesperson here at Greenfield City. See you on my next video.
Thank you.